Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to take you out there and we have a S2000, and this is what we consider like a resurrection. It's nighttime, the car was just delivered, and I'm going to show you the whole process, how we took this dull paint into a mirror finish. It has a lot of imperfections, but nevertheless we're going to go and try to do our best, do the painted surfaces, glass, wheels, engine bay, and everything in between. The car was recently sold and the seller wanted to deliver a nice looking car to the new owner. So nevertheless, we're gonna go out there and do our magic and see what we can do.
Okay, late night delivery. The S2000 is gonna be another resurrection. So what's wrong with my light here? Right here. I inspected this car earlier today, but it's hard to see all this stuff that you can see at night. So just give you a better view. Completely hammered everywhere. So this is another resurrection. I'm gonna do a 50-50 when we get inside. Look at the plastic trim needs to be done, polish the glass. I'm gonna take those markers off, and everywhere you look is just right there. Look at that. Everywhere, everywhere. There's my light right here. Look at this. Right there, everywhere. Look at that. See the trunk. Right here, the panel. Everywhere, everywhere. Look at this. And the trunk. Oh yeah, the trunk. This is gonna be a good 50-50 here. The whole thing is hammered. Gotta do the lights, polish the wheels. At least there's no one surface left. Right, there's a big scratch there. Right there. Let's see what we can do with that. Capture that real good. Oh, there's more scratches here. I didn't see any of that today. Door, look at that right there.
Alright, so very simple. Soil Remover Pro X, no dust, VOC compliance. It will cut like butter, and then usually two pads, microfiber pad, foam pad, simple like that. So we go. Okay, one more shot here, this side done, and there's the line coming where I had the tape right here. See it here? So look at how hazy it looks right there, you can clearly see. So we continue. This is a trick that I like to do. Lift it up so I can take care of the whole area and the edges. Look at how dull this looks here. Very dull. Look at the lights. My finger. Look at the lights here compared to these other lights. A lot of more definition. Okay, and the hood done. Major progress. Looks good. Now we have to do something with this hazy headlight. And go at the front bumper. All of that, there's no shine. So let's see what we're gonna do with this guy to begin with. And right here we can see it. So we go, soil remover. Beautiful initial pass. Follow up and finish. I have one little guy here. I will get it. And there's the finished product right there. Beautiful. Lie, don't lie. Okay, and something special. Part of the job is to remove these side marks. Somebody put glue, like a lot of glue, a lot of glue. So let me see. What can I do? All of that glue to get this out. I'm trying to fix this up. What a mess. Right there you can clearly see. Okay, and there you have a 50-50, and there comes the transition. And clearly you can see all of the hammer. This side, beautiful, done. Moving along, it's looking good. Look at how rich that looks. Okay, and completed. I left a little square here somewhere. Right here. Look at this. Can clearly see it. But the rest, beautiful. And it's a little haze here. Just gotta wipe that up. That's all. That's what that is. Okay, looking stunning. Got the top down. Clean everything and everything. Polish the tailpipes. The coating is already on. Clean everything behind here. They're gonna send the seats out to have them done, but I did the whole interior. All of this stuff here that was all faded. Look at how beautiful it looks. All the glass. Believe it or not, I polished the glass inside and outside. So now I did the engine bay. I'll show you soon. So now I'm going to show you this thing here. See this here? There. You see that there? And I believe on the other side. Right here. I coated the wheels. So this here, I'm just gonna touch it up with a little paint, just like that, to enhance it, make it look better. It will be less noticeable. And then I am done. So to the wheels we go. Okay, the engine bay all done. Of course, there's a few blemishes here and there, but for the most part, a huge improvement. All that plastic trim, and actually if you fix this valve cover, the rest looks pretty good. So I clean all that outside, then inside, overspray. Everything is black again. So huge improvement. Took the side markers out, they're gonna put new ones. So now let's take her outside for the final walk around, and outside we go. Okay, and here she is all done. Came out beautiful considering what we had. The shine, don't lie. So everything done with the turbo wax, wheels and tires with the wheel cleaner deluxe, and the T2, and the clay block soil remover, and finish her with the boosted. It looks so rich and clean. Tailpipes, they were done also. Door jambs, engine bay, headlights, taillights, everything and everything. It came out real nice. Glass was done, and the glass I did inside and outside. Okay, that's a wrap on this one right there. Check us online, turbowax.com. Until next time.